So here we have another problem that looks pretty scary. We've got quadratics on top and quadratics on bottom, and we're looking to solve it. They're asking us to solve and simplify fully. So in this case, what we need to think about again is it's the same as we looked at before with the quad fractions. So first thing we want to do is possibly factor top and bottom. And once we've done that, we can look for terms that are similar on top and bottom that we can cancel. So putting it into double brackets, because it's the quadratic here, let's see what we get. And it's still going to be equal to 10. So what times's to negative 27 and adds to negative 6, that is going to be negative 9 and a positive 3, because 3 times negative 9 will give us negative 27, and negative 9 plus 3 will give us the negative 6. And on the bottom, we can take a look at this. What times's to 12 and adds to 7 is in fact 3 and 4. So now that I've factored top and bottom, I'm going to pause and think, well, what is the same on top and bottom that I can cancel? Well, I have an x plus 3 in brackets on top and bottom, so I can pull those off. They simplify away. So if I rewrite what's left, I've got x minus 9 all over x plus 4, and this is equal to 10. And now I'm stuck with an icky fraction, which I'm not entirely happy about, but I know how to deal with these. So to get rid of the fraction, what's happening here is this says x minus 9 divided by x plus 4. So if I'm dividing x plus 4, what's the opposite of that? That is in fact timesing. So if I times both sides by x plus 4, the one on this side will cancel, and the one on the other side will be there. So I'll probably write that out bigger. X plus 4. We take the one on the bottom and we times it to the other side. So I'm now going to simplify, and I see that the left-hand side is x minus 9. I don't need the brackets because there's nothing else there. And over here I have, well, let's expand it out. 10 times x is 10x, and 10 times 4 is 40. So now my equation says x minus 9 is equal to 10x plus 40. So from here, it's solving a basic equation for ourselves. So if I can get the x's on one side and the numbers on the other side, I'll be in good shape. So I might think about this. If this is a minus 9 on this side, maybe I'll change it to the other side by saying plus 9. And if this is a plus 10x over here, maybe I'll change it to the other side by calling it a minus 10x. So I'm going to have x minus 10x is equal to 40 plus 9. Simplifying these, I have minus 9x is equal to 49. 49. And my final step here, this is negative 9 times x is equal to 49. So the opposite of negative 9 times x is going to be divide, so my final answer is going to be x is equal to 49 over negative 9. You can just divide the negative with it. And it's fine to leave that as a fraction. And if you wanted to, you could write the negative just in front instead of on the bottom. So again, with the quadratics, factor both the top and the bottom, look for what cancels off, then think about trying to get rid of the fraction on bottom by timesing it to the other side, expand out your brackets, and then you're home free there solving the problem.